Like a broken soul.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this look. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a simple winter everyday look. So I'm going to be showing you hair and makeup, and this is going to be featuring ATOZ wigs. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah divas, if you guys are interested in seeing how I get this super simple look with no lashes and just super simple products as well as this simple hairstyle, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit from an Amazon based company called ATOZ Wigs. Today we have their 10-inch lace closure wig bob. So here's what it comes with. It just comes with that netted wig cap, and here's how the unit looks. It does have a very soft silky texture to it. It does come with 3 combs in the front, 2 combs on the side, 1 in the middle. And then it also comes with this lace on it, which I'm kind of confused as to why it comes with that, but I'm just going to go in and cut it off later. But anyways, it also does come with the comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And here's the front. As you guys can see, it is a closure unit, and it does come with about a 4-inch parting area. Here's the unit straight onto my head, and I could tell it's going to be easy to style, which is really good. And then here I'm just giving you guys a 360 so that you guys can see how the unit looks all around. I do have a shorter neck, and I am 5'2", in case you want to use that for height reference to see how the unit will fall on you. And here I just cut off that lace, so you can cut it off. You don't have to be alarmed about it. And now I'm just going in to flat iron the hair to make it look a lot better, because it was looking a little bit flat, probably just because it was in the packaging. And the hair has body, so I really do like that. It's not a lot of body, but it does have some body. It's not stiff at all. And then I'm gonna go in and add some powder to the parting area. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to makeup, and I'll chime back in after I apply my foundation and everything, just because I've been doing tons of foundation videos, so I don't want to be repetitive. So once we get to the eyelashes, I will come back and do a voiceover.
You be my other half. That's real. Know that I be missing you and we're apart. Yeah. Felt for you the second I did that.
Okay, so now we are going to move on to the eyelashes. Today I will not be applying mascara. Eyelashes. I will be using this 3D Fiber Lash mascara, and I'll have all the information down in the description box below. But first I'm going to go in with the gel formula that they sent, and then now I'm going to go in with the fiber. Now going in with the gel first is going to help to adhere the fibers, and as you guys can see, it has my tiny eyelashes like really standing out, which I really like. And after I add the fibers, I'm going to go back in with another coat of the gel just to go ahead and seal that. But I really do like this. As you guys can see, it's explanatory for itself. Like you can see, my eyelashes went from super tiny to extra voluminous and having some length with those fibers and the gel that they sent out. I would definitely recommend this, and like I said, I will have a link down in the description box below in case you guys are interested, because look at that before and after. And then I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the gel to my bottom lashes just to give them a little I'm not gonna put the fibers down there just because I don't want it to get in my eyes or anything. Okay, divas, so I just quickly wanted to end the video and let you guys know how I'm feeling about this unit. So for this unit, I do really like it. I feel like it's super easy and this unit is super affordable. It is only $50 from Amazon, so I think that that is pretty darn good for this unit. The hair is very soft, it's very full, it's very flowy, and the parting space is nice. You can also switch up the parting space because this is like a closure, is a closure wig, so you could switch to a side part or whatever you would like, so you don't have to go with the middle part. I just like the middle part. I feel like it's really classic, especially for like these you know, the 10-inch bob. I feel like this is really classic and it's very easy and everyday-esque, so that's why I went ahead and chose to leave it like directly in the middle. But overall, I do really like it. The knots are not bleached, and as you guys can see, all I had to do was go in and add powder to the parting space and it looks really good. So that's pretty much all I did. I did go ahead and lay down my edges because, as you guys know, they do protrude out. But if you don't have that problem, you don't have to worry about it. But I would say to lay down your edges because this is not a lace front unit. This is a closure unit, so it is a lace closure. So it will be like a unit that you would construct using a lace closure. So I would definitely recommend to just lay down your edges just so that it looks good, so you are not clogged if your wig decides to blow back or something, you know, because it is winter time right now and the wind can be disrespectful and blow your wig back, and you want people to see beautiful edges and not like messed up edges and then when your wig looks good. But overall, I would definitely recommend this unit. It's very easy, very flowy like I said, and it's super affordable, so why not? It's only 50 bucks, so I would definitely recommend it. If you guys are interested, I will have a link down in the description box below. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous divas did enjoy this video or find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.